Hello kids, welcome back to your science class. In today's class, we are going to cover the exercise portion of your chapter. Okay, so let's solve some questions. I hope you have already watched the video where we went through the chapter in detail. That helps you to answer the questions better. Okay, first we have part A, multiple choice questions. Let's give these answers. Which bird cannot fly? Crow, ostrich, pigeon or sparrow? This one is easy. Ostrich है ना, ostrich नहीं उड़ पाती है. Which bird flies the highest in the sky? Among these, you have to tell which is flying the highest. So it will be vulture. Okay, vulture is a bird which flies very high. Which bird migrates from Siberia to India in winters? So which is that bird? It is penguin, parrot, Siberian crane or peacock. It is Siberian crane. Okay. Now let's see true and false. Duck have webbed feet to swim. So do duck have webbed feet? Yes, they do. So this is true. We'll write true over here. True. Parrots use their feet for preaching only. So parrots do not use it for preaching only. They can use it for sitting, for other purposes. So this becomes false. Okay. Eagles use flat beaks to scoop their prey. No, they do not have flat beaks. Flat beaks are there in ducks, so this is also false. Then we have down feathers helps bird in flying. No, down feathers not help in flying, so this one is also false. Okay. Okay, so this question next we have C. Answer the following questions. First, what are the three types of feathers? So what are the three types of feathers that birds have? Kids, they have, first they have down feathers, then they have body feathers, and then they have flight feathers as well. Okay, these are the three types of feathers that are present. Then we have, how do webbed feet help birds? These webbed feet actually act like paddles. ठीक है, paddle की तरह they work and it helps the bird to swim. Okay, it is helping in swimming. Why do birds have different kinds of beaks? Birds have different types of beaks according to their different eating habits. Okay, what is special about the hummingbird's beak? Hummingbirds have long beaks which help them to suck nectars. Okay, which birds are called migratory birds? Birds that travel over a long distance. They are called migratory birds. For example, you can write Siberian crane. Okay. Then kids, we have what happened here. This is a case study. In a forest village, people saw a woodpecker making hole in the tree trunk. They thought the bird was damaging the tree and wanted to chase it away. Later, scientists explained that the woodpecker was not harming the tree, it was actually helping them. The bird uses its strong beak to pick out insects hiding inside the bark. By doing this, it saves tree from getting weak or die. Okay, why is the woodpecker useful? So we can answer from the paragraph itself. It saves trees from getting weak and dying because of the insects. We'll write because of the insects. What mistake did the villagers make? They thought that the woodpecker was damaging the tree and they tried to chase it away. What would happen if there were no woodpeckers in the forest? The trees would get internally, their trunks would get damaged and they would start dying. Okay, so everything in the ecosystem has a role. Now we have subject connect Hindi. Look at the pictures and write their name in Hindi. So we have to write their names in Hindi. First we have peacock. Peacock को क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों? मोर. तो आप लिखेंगे मोर. फिर है हमारे पास hen. So what do we call a hen in Hindi? We call it मुर्गी. तो आप लिखोगे मुर्गी. फिर उसके बाद we have an owl. Owl को क्या बोलते हैं? उल्लू. And then we have this parrot. And parrot को क्या बोलते हैं? तोता. Okay. Now we have the next one, fun time for students. Circle the odd one out. So what we have to do, जो इनमें से अलग है उसको circle करना है. Ostrich, penguin, sparrow, kiwi. So which is odd in this? It will be sparrow. Okay. Then we have duck, swan, goose, tiger. So which is different? It is tiger. Then we have woodpecker, parrot, hen, sparrow. So in these we have what is different in these? The Okay, kids. So the last one, what is this? Woodpecker, parrot, hen, and sparrow. So this one I want you to try on your own. Okay. Now we have life ladder. Nina noticed some pigeons speaking near the garbage bin and looking for food. What can Nina do to help them? She can simply put a bird feeder near their house, near her house, so that the pigeons are not. Pigeon can find food easily there, and they do not look in garbage, and by mistake they can even consume plastic. Okay, so this is what you can simply do. So that was the chapter. I hope you enjoyed the class. I hope you enjoyed all the question answers. And now that was it from my side. You'll revise the chapter once again. You'll try to write all of these answers in your notebooks as well. Okay, so kids, that's it. Now I'll see you all in the next class with a new chapter. Until then, take very good care of yourselves. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.